Want an easy way to use emojis anywhere in MX Linux? Today, I'll show you how to set up a system-wide emoji picker in the XFCE desktop environment using a lightweight tool called Bemoji. Let's dive in. First, we need to install a few foundational packages. Open up your terminal and type sudo apt install fonts -noto -color -emoji erofi xclip x do tool. This installs the official Google emoji fonts, the Rofi menu grid, and the clipboard tools needed to paste the emojis automatically. Hit enter, type your password, and let that finish. Next, we are going to clone the Bemoji repository from GitHub into a convenient folder, like your downloads directory. Run the command git clone https://github.com/marty-oim/bemoji.git. Now, change your directory into that newly downloaded folder. Before we can use the Bemoji script, we need to give it execution permissions. Type sudo chmod +x bemoji/bemoji. To verify that it worked, run ll bemoji/bemoji and look for the letter X in the permissions list on the left. Once verified, we will move the script into your system's executable binary path so you can run it from anywhere. Type sudo mv bemoji/bemoji/usr/local/bin/bemoji. Let's test if the installation was successful. Type bemoji-t in your terminal. Perfect. You should see a clean pop-up menu displaying all your available emojis. To make this truly useful, let's map it to a keyboard shortcut. Open your system settings and head over to Keyboard, then click on the Application Shortcuts tab. Click Add, and for the command, type in bemoji-t. Next, hit your preferred key combination. I highly recommend using the Super key or Windows key plus the semicolon key. And you are all set. You now have a fast native emoji picker available anywhere you go in MX Linux. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.